This is a big zucchini, guys. Let's love it. Whoa! Put the zucchini here. I'm gonna go get the little one. Hey, beautiful friends! Welcome back to Sisters Me. Today we spent some time in the garden picking some zucchini. And there's a big one. And some green beans. Whoa. And a lot of green beans. This is really big. Look at this, guys. So big. It's so big. We should make zucchini bread. That's a great idea. Are you ready to make some zucchini bread? Yeah! Let's make some. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, a half cup of butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of zucchini to make our delicious zucchini bread. Now let's start. We need a mixer. Mixer. Whoa, thanks for showing up. Emma, where did you go? I don't know. Oh well. Oh, it's Emma again. You want to make some zucchini bread? Yeah. Okay. The secret to making your zucchini bread really nice and yummy, make it in this order. First, add 1 cup of sugar. Okay. And then after the sugar, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Whoa. The zucchini is going to be less. A half cup of butter. Put all the butter in. Then we're going to add 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Whoa! Okay, now let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Go. 1 teaspoon of salt now. Yeah! Now we're gonna add the last ingredient, some zucchini. Wow, this looks so amazing. Yeah! Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now that everything is in our mixer, We're going to stir it at low for about a minute or two. So lock it. And put it on low. Let's wait 1 minute. Low. You see it mixing? Yeah, that's cool. Unlock it, lift it up, then take your spatula and scoop all the edges and the handle and then mix again. We're not done yet. We gotta take this out so it can continue mixing. Take all that off the scrape, off the little walls. When it's done, put it back down and put it back on low. This smells so delicious. It looks like cake, even though we're making some zucchini bread. Yeah. Do you think the zucchini is gonna be yummy? Yeah. I think it's gonna be yummy too. Yeah, it's mixing. Do you like zucchini bread? Yeah. I think it's gonna be yummy too. It's going around in a circle. Can you say circle? Circle. Yeah, circle. Circle, circle, circle. I have goggles. I can see you guys. I see you. I'm swimming goggles. Swimming in the sea. Swimming in the sea. Swim, 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 swim. Swimming in the sea. Swimming in the sea, sea, sea. Keep mixing until everything is all nice and mixed up. This looks about good now. Let's open it. Ooh, that's kind of heavy. Let's scrape it all off his. Scrape it all off the handle. Emma, we're missing something. Yeah. Do you know what it is? Yeah. What is it? What? Idea. Idea? Yeah. What is it? Baking pans. Baking pans. Come here. Wow. Wow. Look how cute these are. We're making mini-sized zucchini bread. So let's put them back in the pan. And don't forget to grease them with some cooking spray. We're going to be using this kind. Spray. Shake it and let's put it in. Make sure you get all the edges. The reason why you want to spray all the sides is so your bread doesn't stick. That's gonna be a disaster. All right, let's get them in our baking pans. Yeah. You're going to put your batter in your baking pans, but only fill it up to halfway. Okay. Let's add some more batter. Okay, we gotta put more in the orange one first, okay? Me. That looks about good. Okay, let's add some in yours, Emma. Okay. Add some more in yours. Okay. Oh, idea. You have an idea? What's your idea? I need a bowl. You need a bowl? No, I need a bowl. You need the batter in both? No, I need no more. I'm trying to add more to yours. This is a little too much. Okay, I think that's about enough. Let's put some in there. That looks about enough for that one. More and more. We need to add some for this one now. Yeah. It's getting kind of heavy and hurt on my wrist. This is a little bit more than halfway, but it's okay. The more the merrier. Let's get these in the oven now. Make sure you have an adult help you. It's in the oven. Let's let it cook. So we got in the oven, and the worst part is that we have to wait. Make sure you keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's done when you stick a toothpick in it and it comes out nice and clean. And your whole house smells delicious. Taking so long. Alright guys, it's been about 30 minutes. I got my toothpick here, so let's go check it out. Into the middle, and it's nice and clean, so it looks good. Alright guys, it's still warm, and I have a slice of some butter. The best part about making bread is eating it when it's nice and warm. Let's taste it now. It's nice and moist. It's delicious with some butter. So yummy. Try out this recipe and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others and make a new friend. Bye! The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups.
Emma, shh. Emma, pause, okay? Okay. You shh. Okay, Maria, and go.
More.